In this free masterclass, you will be getting a free sample of the lesson I teach in my 6-figure tutor masterclass, where you can create and launch your tutoring business in just 30 days.
Howdy tutorpreneurs! My name is Stephanie Tran, founder of Tutor Root, the one-stop shop for all of your learning needs. Welcome to our learning squad, and thank you for choosing to invest your learning with us. I am so thrilled for you to join our free sample of my 6-figure tutor masterclass because you are about to get a taste of what it takes to make 6 figures tutoring part-time while working full-time. Whether you've got experience or not, we've all got knowledge to share with others. I'm going to show you how you can harness it for a profit. Let's start cashing in on changing the world. I started out my journey as an elementary school teacher in HISD, and no matter what I did to earn more dollars by getting a master's degree or becoming a mentor teacher, my paycheck barely budged. So then I turned to tutoring part-time. I eventually built up my clientele to making $200 an hour and raising my company to a team of 21, and now we are officially school district approved. I'm going to show you the exact demo kit I used to help you score your high-ticket clients. So buckle up, Buttercup. It's time for your free sample of my 6-figure tutor masterclass.
Your free masterclass agenda includes learning about my Dynamite Demo Kit and how this tool will help you close high-ticket clients. The best way to seal big deals is through a consultation, but before you step into the room for a consultation, you need to be prepared. Having a Dynamite Demo Kit will leave a huge impression on your prospects that you are the perfect person to earn their business. The number one tutorpreneur mistake is telling your rates before you have even shown how you can provide value to your prospects. Resumes are outdated, and most prospects hiring businesses are not asking for their resumes. What they're looking for instead is proof of your work and your results. A Dynamite Demo Kit shows how you fit your client's needs. The Dynamite Demo Kit will also show your clients that you are listening to their concerns and understand what they need. There are 3 parts to the Dynamite Demo Kit. The first part is to plan your script and figure out what it is you want to say. The second part is your presentation deck. Visuals help your prospects follow your pitch. The last part is to create a model teach ad that shows and tells your skill sets with your future clients. Here is how you execute your demo kit. You will first introduce yourself and tell your story. Then you will move on into your presentation of your business. The third part is to show your skills with your model teach ad. Then you will discuss terms and compensation. The 5th step is crucial because here you will give your prospects an opportunity to ask any questions and address objections. This shows that you are listening to them and getting their input. When you follow these steps and have clearly communicated your value, your final step is to book appointments with them. How do you know if your demo kit is working or not? While the obvious answer may be if the client says no, then your kit didn't work. But the best answer is actually asking your clients why they turned down your offer so you can learn and understand what needs to be tweaked. By listening to their objections and asking for their input, you're gaining invaluable information of what your prospects are looking for and how you can cater to your target market better. In order to close 100% of your deals, you gotta start by setting your goals. Start your goal with a sales figure that you want to reach and work backward to see how much you need to make per day or per week in order to meet your quota. For example, to make 6 figures, you'll need to make $274.73 daily or $1,923.08 per week. The best way to track your demo kit is to use your client conversion score by dividing the number of successfully booked clients by the total number of consultations. This will give you your success rate. For example, if you booked 15 clients and you have done 30 consultations in total, then that means your client conversion score is 50%, meaning you closed 50% of the deals you sought. Demo kits are amazing because they are forever growing. These kits are constantly improving to be better. Remember, the more you practice and the more you listen to your prospects, the better your kits will be. You can keep tweaking it to meet the demands of your ever-changing market. Best way to keep improving is to keep track of your client conversion score with a table of records. Here is an example. You can even add another column to see what their objection was and keep track of what you should revise on your demo kit.
Since you love my free sample of my masterclass so much, let's keep this party going. Head over to www.localtutorroot.com to buy the full course, or you can download my app on Apple or Android. Create and launch your tutoring business in just 30 days. Got any questions or concerns? You can hit me up on my DM, on my Instagram, or on my Facebook. I look forward to seeing you in class and growing your business with you. Toodaloo, Tutorpreneurs.